Set up 9 pass and everything was to make a step on them ends figure fire wing. Silence creep up, not even drop a pin. People ask.
Come guys, Greenball back again in a reaction video to the reactor. Splinta, Road Rage. Yo, a long time in a reactor Road Rage still no good why I'm in a reactor Road Rage, you see me? So we're gonna jump into this. This is one new artist for me. You see me? I don't know who the person is. Somebody request it and you know the thing already. When I request something I'm gonna do it, you see me? So just like the video, share the video, and comment any direction you want down below. And remember, click the notification bell so you can post it, you see me? Click the bell. So begin now.
JDZmedia.
JDZmedia.
Yes, Splinta. 2016.
What, 2016? I said it's old? 3 years ago? Alright, white boy, let's see what you got.
Road Rage, JDZmedia. Straight in. Listen. Look, I said you're not straight, like you can't park in a car. Hold up, wait a sec, let me market a star. Give me that fight in the booth, I'll be flaming. You'll think I was sitting on a north as a dark, of a north as a whiz. Man, I go.
Hold on there, our next UK Eminem list. What the man that spit said the man that like a bazooka.
Like farmer nowadays when they target your chick. Wanna see her getting locked up in a cage, but I bet they wouldn't dive in your grave so quick. I got a flow that's dirty and catch it with the words in my verse and verbally whap it. See a lot of man try shitting on me, you'd think these man them are swerving and nappy. See a lot of man them claim to be clean, but you're dirty like mileage working about it. See a lot of man them aiming at me, but you're never gonna put no O's in my track it. Splinta the kids fully back, I ain't ramping. Please tell me why this rapper ain't banking. I'll tell you why. Ain't been a bar, but I'm fully back now when I get back for dancing. If a lot of man talking about money, cars and fame, that ish there, but just blanket. I'd rather have my soul inside of me and be broke laying on my bed, no blanket. See round there,
yo. No, so yo, without the lie, yo, people stop sleep on them UK rapper, you know, UK artists, you know, bro. The man them freestyle always sick, bro. You see me? Me never listen to a Road Rage yet, I'm disappointed. Never. You see me? Never, bro.
Bit of money, everybody sticking their hands in. Everybody want war, but they don't want flanking. Flow that's catchy hot without the scrally guy. Look good already, I don't need Versace. Nowadays, gal are going on like monkeys, seducing a male by shaking a body. That's tatty. Wanna try when we get the middle finger. Don't fight, but I'm kicking eye like a ninja. Don't care if I'm in it Daniel to you. Just know this one thing to your wifey, I'm Splinta. Used to have friends, I used to have a lot. Bag of big circles run around me. Don't big fist me like say you're my friend. When I ain't got bread, you won't jam around me.
Big fist, yo. What?
Look, let me start this. I've been away, but I'm back now with my hardest. If you wanna try swing for me when I ain't looking at you, then you better make sure it's on target. Got my spot back, nobody can't park in. Drop a little bit, finger the artist. I don't wanna hear nobody say duck duck dead him on when you can't get it on target. A bagger man I got slacks they don't wanna part with. Them ones that you find chilling at the parties. You can be a meaty guy, I don't care. Strip you look like a part of a carcass. Fully happy but I smiley. Hate twerking, I don't rate that miley. Teaching all the young girls to be slacks, that silly white bag, I don't rate that pikey. What?
Yeah, but yo, I tune on top teach young girl and be slackers, bro. You see me? And you see me?
You wanna try
speak facts, bro.
Shut up, when I drop on a beat, I get a pull up. Sorry if I've been away, I've been full up, but I'm back now, we're back to the table. See most man, they will crack from a label. Man, I getting signed, money starts getting to the head, then they all start acting the war. I don't really wanna get have a...
You know what I think, bro? When I say for real, bro, like when you come from nothing and then you get like money, some people make it get to them head, bro. Remember, you know, you come from nothing, like you're poor, you know what it feel like to be poor, right? You get look of money, you start shit on people, hype on people. Why? That me just can't understand. Me not rich enough, so I don't know what it feel like if when you're rich, your ego soar to the sky or soar to the heavens, you see me? I don't know.
Guys that off the punchlines are coming, you rubbing your eyes, whether I'm back and I ain't coming to put in the light, feather the odd grafters in, I'm going away. Since that I met God, I've been loving my life better, they don't wanna hear truth, they're loving the lies better deep down. Everybody knows there's a God, but the world's messed up, so they're living the life better. Don't trust anybody, man, I fishy out in my day like rob you. I don't
Rash, bro, don't trust nobody, bro.
When I'm eating, God, it ain't lobster. Put man
Human's evil.
Mixtape rang him a million times and got locked off. Some man I really wanna hit you for that, mate, but I'll sit and wait till karma has got you. Cheers, everybody cries but nobody hears. I'm living my life just going through the gears. When you speak wisdom, nobody wanna hear. Everybody wanna hear bullshit, they wanna hear that. Little man road talk, no I don't fear that. Must have a low life if you think that an achievement is drilling out some girl baby. Fake kids don't like to hang around me, G, so you won't see a lot of other man around me. I get more attention in my Air Forces than you're doing your S-line out it. From a place...
Oh boy, you the man say? You the man I say? The man saying get more attention in Air Force than you get in S-Class Benz. So for sure say, him no need high-class car forget notice. I mean, never females matter, most females, you see me? So, him can't just say, I'm looking at Air Force. And you then here bends and pull more chicks than you see me? For sure, they are nothing.
Even if you're hungry and if you got kicks, I'm here to make that change. So all of your selfish people, listen to this. I'm from a place where everybody gets in the 2P. I used to have friends, but I don't anymore. Cause fake heads don't like to hang around me. I've had a bag of big circles run around me. My mum be proud of the man that I be. I don't know who brought you up, but you ain't my friend. If when I ain't got bread, you won't jam around me.
Rocks, fake friends, if you have money, them not stick around now. Can't have them people over there, bro. Can't trust them, you see me? But when I tell you, Splinta, you're surprised. Well, we would say surprised with that. Man, I not take the UK, I not sleep on the UK ad system, you see me? Especially upon road rage. Upon road rage, them always got hard. So Splinta, first me I see you, Splinta remind me of Jaffro. Splinta kind of remind me of Jaffro. He not remind me of Kamakazi. Kamakazi more, you see me? But he remind me of Jaffro. You see me? So, big way say Splinta, just get to know you and you think up there, you see me? So, alright guys, send a reaction video. Peace out. Remember, click the notification bell. So anytime I post, when we get the video, you see me? Because sometimes when you get the video, them and them thing there, you see me? So more make sure to get, you see me? So, peace out.